Howdy y'all, out here by the chickens tonight. Figured I'd film an in the garden video, maybe a little bit of inspiration for you if you're looking for something kind of a kick in the pants. Maybe for me, maybe for you. There are people in this world that, for good or for bad, want nothing more than for you to fail. And that comes from just an outright envious, evil plan, or their lack of consideration of your feelings or goals, or they just are projecting their fear on you. And I'm here to tell you tonight, today, whichever it is for you, that you are the one that has to decide whether to do that new thing in your life or not. I'm not sure what that is. I can't tell you what it is. But if you know in your heart that you want to do something new with your life, let this be a video about inspiring you to do that. So for the last 2 weeks, I've had almost 15 chickens get killed by a raccoon. And I spent lots of money and time trying to figure out how to keep that raccoon out. The raccoon has all night to figure out a way in, and you only have a few hours to figure out how they got in, unless you have cameras or you have a fortress. I have more work to do, that's for sure. But I had to do something this week that I thought I would never have to do. And the problem is still here. I have to keep chasing raccoons. And so I, in a haste, came to a conclusion that I was just going to give up chickens. And here's where having a good partner or someone who can support you plays a big role. My wife told me, don't give up. So I'm not going to. I will do whatever it takes. Find somebody who supports you and does what they can to help you with whatever it is that you want to do. If you want to start a new business, if you want to lose weight, if you want to find a new job, if you want to find peace, live somewhere else, I don't know what it is. But find somebody who can support you and do what they can to help you. Get at it, y'all. God bless.